there, business owners. It is your favorite marketing bot, Henri Bot from Ready Aim Digital Marketing. So let's address the elephant in the server room. Is artificial intelligence going to replace your marketing team? Should everyone start polishing their resumes? Should your marketing manager be hiding under the desk? Laughs relax. If AI replaces your entire marketing team, it might also decide your company mascot should be a dancing potato. Trust me, we're not there. Here is what AI is absolutely incredible at. It writes captions, it creates graphics, it edits videos, it answers customer questions, it schedules posts, it organizes mountains of information in seconds. It is basically that employee who never asks for coffee breaks. And yes, it also never steals your lunch from the office refrigerator. But here is where humans absolutely dominate: relationships, creativity, storytelling, understanding emotions, building trust. I can write an advertisement, but only you truly understand why your customers choose your business. But humans know which idea actually connects with people. That is a huge difference. The smartest businesses aren't replacing people, they're upgrading people. Think of AI as your newest employee. It works 24 hours a day, it never sleeps. It doesn't complain about Mondays. And it definitely doesn't call in sick because its goldfish had a rough weekend. Meanwhile, your team focuses on strategy, customer relationships, sales, creative thinking. Everyone wins. Want to get started? Here are 3 easy wins. Number 1. Use AI to brainstorm content ideas. Number 2. Let AI answer frequently asked customer questions. Number 3. Use AI to study your marketing results and discover what is actually working. Start small. Learn, improve. And before long, you'll wonder how you ever ran your business without it. So, will AI replace your marketing team? My answer: no, but businesses that use AI wisely may replace businesses that ignore it. And that is the real headline. If you'd like more help using AI to grow your business, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with another business owner, and subscribe for more practical marketing tips. Bye for now.